Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet super useful guide. How to find your liked posts on Facebook. Whether you're looking to revisit a memorable post or just curious about your activity, this step-by-step process will help you access everything you've liked. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once it expands, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, look for the section titled Your Activity and tap on Activity Log. This is where all your interactions on Facebook are recorded. Inside the activity log, tap on the option labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this section, select Comments and Reactions. Finally, tap on Likes and Reactions. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the posts, photos, and videos you've liked or reacted to. The list is organized chronologically, starting with the most recent activity. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your liked posts on Facebook. This feature is perfect for rediscovering old favorites or managing your activity. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.